Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. We are going to analyze Tesla stock based on technical analysis, which is an art of looking at stock chart prices to try to find patterns and try to hop on those patterns to make money. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So, Tesla cratered today. 572. We closed at 572.84, down $32. So this is down 5%. Post market, we are pretty much even, down 44 cents. Look at this. What can I say? The stock market never ceases to amaze me. We knew Tesla had started a downtrend. It started downtrend on June 1st. So we knew that, we saw that. Because the stochastic was not too bad, close to 50. The MACD was also, had also crossed over. We thought that Tesla was going to just go into a small pullback since we made the bottom at, let's say, 545. So we thought it was going that way. And we were not going to buy until we were going to see something, break this downtrend. But clearly, Tesla is really weaker than I thought it was. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. So remember, we had this downtrend channel that we spotted very early on. We spotted that early on. Then yesterday we went down. The day before also. And today, look at today. Where is 930? So 930 is exactly here. 930 is this candle here. So the candle touched the support line. So the stock was supposed to go back and forth between the support line and the resistance, as every stock is doing within a channel. So this was Tesla's channel. But then look at this here. So during that hour at 1:30, and I didn't look at the news, but maybe something happened in the news, or maybe not. But technical analysis is about looking at the stock prices, because sometimes you can have a great news, the stock is going down, bad news, the stock is going up. So there's a loose causation between news and how people interpret it and make their buying or selling decisions. So technical analysis is about, let's just not look at the news, because then we need to look at how people will perceive those news, and this is a whole another kettle of fish. So let's look at the stock prices and look at how people think about the stock looking at the chart. So this is what we are doing in this channel. So clearly at 1:30, boom, big red candle. So let's look at the 5-minute chart to see if okay, so basically this happened within 10 minutes. So each candle now is worth 10 minutes of transaction. So within so let me see. So at 1:40 p.m. the stock went from 599 to approximately 594. That's not so bad. And then it went the next 5 minutes after that at 1:45, it went from 593 down to 583. Boom, boom. And now it's just keeping going down further still. So incredible drop. Incredible drop is $30. It's 5%, but incredible drop in terms of the technicals, because the channel was here and the support was just right here. So the support, so Tesla should have rebounded at 590. It should have rebounded at 590 because this was the support of the down channel. It did not. It just went right through it. Then we have had this resistance here for another downtrend that we had starting on April 14th. So that resistance should have acted as support. Did it act as support? Nope. The stock went right through it also. So we broke two supports in a row. This is unusual. This is unusual. So now what is the next stop? Well, next stop is we have a support at 560. So I did not think that 560, I did not think that we would be seeing 960 again so soon. But it seems like 960 is now the next support that we need to watch. And this previous support has now become a resistance, and this one too. So very, very interesting day. So I pity those who are long short term, because then it's not looking too good. And people that became bearish here when we spotted the downtrend, well, good for you, because there was some money to be made here. Let's go back to the daily chart to see how this is affecting everything. So let's look at the stochastic. So stochastic is taking a plunge. Stochastic is down at 18. MACD, look at this. MACD is looking at crossing over bearish, because we had the MACD slowly becoming positive after having crossed bullish, and now it's looking like it's close to crossing bearish. Who would have thought? And the DMI, which is telling us when Tesla is going to start to spread its sales. Then, well, the DMI is increasingly, the distance between the red and green line is getting way bigger. So for people that wanted to buy Tesla on the cheap, well, we might be ready for that day once again, because we had Tesla at 560 last November, we had it in March, and we had it in May, and now it looks like we are going to have it in June, tomorrow, the next day, in a couple of days. So just wow. Tesla might rebound a little bit, so let's not get carried away. So Tesla might just go down here. It might rebound on this resistance here, because this is basically where Tesla was at. You know, this was the resistance and the channel Tesla was in. And sometimes we have a drop, but then the next day it's coming back up. So this is still a possibility, but I would just wait and see. To see how a new pattern develops, because this is clearly a bear pattern. And until we break out of that bear pattern, or at least bounce on support and show that yes, support is being held, then I would not think about going long before those things can happen. Never a dull moment with the stock market. This is great. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I publish a Tesla and Palantir technical analysis video every single day. So if you subscribe and click on the bell, you will see my video in your feed. And my videos tend to come out between 5 and 5:30, depending on YouTube. YouTube is slower nowadays for uploading, so this is making my videos come out a little bit later by half an hour. Thank you for liking and commenting. I read every one of your comments and sometimes answer. We have a Discord server, and we have a Patreon. We have a Patreon account if you want to thank me with a monetary compensation. If not, that's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I will still tell you à la prochaine.